In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Leonardo AI API key. To start things off, you'll need to log into your Leonardo account. This is your first essential step because without access to your account, you won't be able to move forward with obtaining your API key. So go ahead and use your credentials to log in. If you're having trouble remembering your password or username, most platforms offer a recovery option where you can reset them, so be sure to look out for that if needed. Once you're logged in, navigate to the API dashboard. The dashboard is your hub for managing everything API related with Leonardo AI. It's where you'll find all the controls and options to access your API settings. If you're visiting the dashboard for the first time, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Knowing where each button or link leads will make future visits much more straightforward. Next, you'll need to accept the API terms. This part is crucial as these terms outline the rules and usage agreements associated with accessing and utilizing the API services of Leonardo AI. Be sure to read through them carefully. Understanding what you're agreeing to is always a smart move. These terms generally cover how you can use the API, any limitations in place, and your responsibilities while using it. Once you've reviewed these terms and you're comfortable with them, go ahead and accept. With the terms accepted, you're now ready to create or generate a new API key. On your API dashboard, you should find a button labeled Create New Key or Generate API Key. Clicking this button will initiate the process to generate your unique API key. An API key is essentially a secret token that allows your applications to communicate with Leonardo AI servers. It's crucial for authenticating and tracking your API requests, so keep this information safe. Immediately after generating your key, you'll want to take the step of copying it. When the API key appears, be sure to copy it right away. This is important because, depending on the system you're using, the key might not be displayed prominently again after you navigate away from the page. Store it in a secure location, perhaps in a password manager or a locked document on your computer. The safety of your API key is paramount because it prevents unauthorized access to your account and ensures your data remains secure. And there you have it. Those are the steps to get your Leonardo AI API key. Following this guide will set you up effortlessly. You'll be able to start integrating the API into your projects and explore all the capabilities Leonardo AI has to offer. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have questions or hit any snags, remember to check Leonardo's support resources for further guidance.